Hello guys, how to use Excel formula, how to add, how to subtract, how to multiply and how to division. In this video we will see. So at first addition, how to sum in Excel. Any two numbers, first 25 and second 26. Now we will add in both numbers. The formula is simple, equal to sum under bracket and select the cell. You can also write manually G6 double dot G7 under bracket close and press enter. The sum is 51. Now we will see with one more numbers 45 equal to sum and bracket start and draw all the cell and bracket close, press enter. This is the first method. The second method is very simple. You can select all the cell and click on auto sum icon from the top right corner. The addition is 96. Now we will see how to subtract in Microsoft Excel. Simply, for example, two numbers, first 25 and second one is 15, and we will subtract from 25 minus 15. Formula is simple, equal to first cell minus sign and select second cell, press enter, and result is 10. So how to subtract in Microsoft Excel. Now we will see how to multiply in Microsoft Excel. Again, two numbers 25 and 5. You can choose more than two numbers also, and the answer will be same. Formula will be same. Equal to first cell and multiply sign is star, product sign. Select first cell, star, select second cell and press enter. Simply, function key also available for multiply, equal to product under bracket and select the cell, draw both the cell and bracket close, press enter. It will answer will same 125 125. Now we will see how to divide in Excel. Take any two numbers 25 and 5. We will divide 25 by 5 equal to, select the first cell and divide sign forward slash and select the second cell, press enter. The answer is 5.